So welcome back. So we are going to look for a short demo on different security solutions by AWS. So there are different tools that we are going to look over here. Before that, let's start with launching one instance. Here you can see as I have already launched one instance, that is Terra CloudX. Here we need an Amazon Inspector agent to be with that. So this is Terra CloudX Amazon Linux 2 AMI with the Amazon Inspector agent. So this instance is being running, and now I'll show you the security groups. So in security group, we have created one security group that has open access. Like we can see all open, like this is the security ID, and here we can look for inbound and outbound rule, which allows the all traffic. So this is for anywhere source, and outbound is also all traffic. So moving on to our first security solution, that is AWS Config. So as you know, AWS Config, it records and evaluates the configuration of your AWS resources. It is a service that will enable you to access your audits or evaluate the configuration of all your AWS resources. So this is the dashboard that you can see. We are in the dashboard, and you can see this resource inventory. Here there are different things: config resource compliance, EC2 subnet, EC2 security group, and here you can see the restricted SSH. So here it says two non-compliant resources. So what are these non-compliant resources? So in this three, there are two non-compliant resources where the traffic is all traffic. We have given it and it doesn't comply with the rule. So this comes under non-compliance thing. So here you can also note that the compliance status. So here are 39 non-compliant rules, where 8 compliant rules with 14 non-compliant resources and 1 compliant resources. So under EC2 security group, as we had done the open access, like we have given all traffic, moving to it, we can see that so this is the resource inventory. So you can see here all these rules, like all the security groups are all traffic, like the access is for all traffic. So it comes under non-compliant thing, as it should not be like it is not matching the compliance. It should not be all traffic. The access should be given to specific things. So this is how the AWS config console works. It will always record and evaluate whatever all the configuration of your AWS resources are there. So this is all about the first tool. You can explore more by going into the rules resources aggregators, where the rules resources authorization can be viewed. If you want to see the rules or add your rules, we can add a rule over here. These are all the rules. Here you can see restricted SSH not set, that is remediation action is not set. AWS managed, it is managed by AWS, and there are two non-compliant resources that are the security groups, we can say, because of all traffic enable. So moving on to the next tool, that is Amazon Inspector. So what is Amazon Inspector? As the name suggests, an Amazon Inspector will enable you to analyze the behavior of your AWS resources, and it will help you to identify the potential security issues. So what here we will be getting is, like you can see that as I had done already the lab, you can see here that today at 1:44, this analysis was complete and it started collecting the data. As I had run the assessment template, it started collecting the data. So whatever the findings I have got, we can find it inside this findings. So Amazon Inspector will give you the whole inspection, like it will give you the whole assessment template of that assessment target, and you can see over here. So what rule packages we had used was CIS, and then another was our CIS benchmark was used. Then different like okay, we to view this we will download it. So we will first click all, and then just will download, export all the columns. So we can see like what severity is there, when the date was, and just when we open this Excel sheet, we can see there are different packages, rule packages, a CIS. Then the severity we can see it is high, or the information is needed, like if it is needed. Then AWS agent, AMI ID, auto scaling for different features for different columns like IP address, access type. So all this will be seen. So when is last updated? So CIS weight, is it scored or not scored? So service is obviously it is by inspector, and the description about it. So if they have any description, so this is how you will get the report. So
Okay.
So as we have downloaded the sheet, we can see over here when we open it, the findings we can look over here. There are different columns from severity, target, templates, rule, AWS agent, auto scaling ID, host name, and then here are different rule packages, IDs, then CIS weight, that is code or not code, it will come. So last updated, it shows. So this is how the Excel sheet looks, and this is how the findings are given. So according to that, like severity is high, then the assessment template and target is being shown over here. Whatever the rules that we had applied, there were three different kinds when we were going to cross check over the thing. So the rule packages, we were going with a CIS benchmarks. So these were the rules. The AWS agent was used. Yes, inspector needs an agent. So auto scaling group, and then these are highly, or then you can see over here, this is informational, this is high. So severity is given here, we can see it's medium. So this is how we can check. This is assessment is target is for all instances. For a particular instance, we can click for the particular instance over there when we are creating that thing. Then this is against the rule package, that is security best practices. So these were things that we had selected. In description, these rules help to determine where the SSH daemon is configured to permit the logging into your EC2 instance as root. So this will check against your best security instances, and then it will give you a description over here. This is how the inspector overall generalized the things, and this is how the findings are done. So let's take a break over here, and then we'll see the next tool.